Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So this is a late night clean with me. I don't know how the kitchen got like this. We just started piling stuff up, so I just wanted to tidy up a little bit, wash the dishes, clean the counters off, put some stuff away. Y'all be sure to hit that red subscribe button down below, and also give me a thumbs up. It really helps my channel, and leave any comments down below. Hope you enjoy. Okay y'all, so this cutting board is live. I love it. It's the bamboo cutting board, and it comes with the different mats for the different types of things that you're cutting. I got it off Amazon. I watch Tiffany on Beauty and the Beastons, or Tiffany Beaston. I don't know the name of the channel. I'll link it down below, but I also link the cutting board down below on Amazon as well. Okay, and just wanted to show y'all, I was in Target today, of course, per usual, and they had this straw, like a reusable straw set, and it was 4 of like the flexi bendy straws, and it came with a little carrying case, and also with the little cleaner. So that was $3 in the Target dollar spot, so I thought that was good. y'all, so I completely forgot to record an outro. So this is going to be the end of the video. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Y'all be sure to hit that thumbs up button and leave me comments down below for any future video ideas. Y'all have a great day. Bye.